Hello YouTubers and YouTubies, North Coast T here. Today I'm going to be doing a review of these headlights. It's a long-term review. I've owned them for about 3 years now. If you Google Crown Victoria LED headlights, several options come up. I guess Walmart has them for $210. eBay has them for $209, $211. So you'll be able to find them pretty easily if you just Google it. Some pros and cons for them. They are projector headlights, and that's a good thing. Probably 5 times brighter than the factory. Small problem with them is they have these little stress cracks, and some of the clear coat is coming off. I'm not sure if that comes out well on the camera or not. That only happened this last year. Prior to this year, I've been parking it in the garage every night, and on the weekends it usually sits in the garage. But this year I put up a fence, so it's harder to get in and out. So I've been leaving it out, and the sun hits it just like it is right now for about 2 hours, 2.5 hours a day after work. And just with that little bit of sun for this summer, because I don't drive it in the winter, so only this summer, it started to peel the little bit of clear coat off of it. And I did wax them, but it's got some stress cracks over here. Another con with these, besides that, is they're all one piece, so they're hard to install and line up, because you have the one bolt here that has to line up, and then you line up the other two clips like normal right under here. It comes with some really cheap bulbs for high beams. I mean, like, awful. They're, I think, they're fog light. So, pretty awful actually. They're not very bright. But these here, projectors, probably 5 times easily brighter than factory. So other than really hard to install, they're pretty good, and they make the car look 1,000,000 times better. So you have that. So you get a look at the install. Is just same factory clips, they clip in. But adjustment, I mean, the adjustment is there. It's just because they're projector, it's kind of hard to get it where you want it. They just plug and play. What I did notice is this is for your blinker here. On the marker lights here, it is possible to hook them up backwards, and if you hook them up the way they are from factory, you have this light on and then this row of LEDs on with your park lights. If you reverse the polarity on this, you don't get the yellow light in the front, you only get the row of LEDs with your marker lights. and it gives it a unique look. Real modern. I like it way better than having the yellow light lit up. So if you reverse the polarity, you get just a row of LEDs. So like I said, about 3 years now, and this one is not that bad. Actually, there's not hardly any stress cracks or anything. It's got a little bit of the clear coat coming off right here, but not very bad at all. The main one is this driver one, where it sits and the sun hits it just a couple hours a day will cause it to have issues. I'll also put in a view of me driving at night, because now it's dark. I've had somebody ask about a video, if I could put up a video of these in the dark, so I will do that. Like I said, it's dark on my way to work now, so I can actually film. Usually at this late in the year I've already put it away, but we still haven't had any snow and no projected snow, so it's still out and running. As I start the car here, it's about 65 feet away to that garage. You can tell how bright it is. As I turn onto the dark road, you can really see the headlights lighting up from sidewalk to sidewalk. It's really clear, really bright, and this is not even fully dark. The sun has already started to come up a little bit. Very nice and bright. See off both sides of the road. Now I didn't show any of the high beam because the high beam is awful. You have to, I just, like I said, I rarely drive at night, so I don't really use the high beams. And the high beams that are in there just like fog lights, so they're real dim and they're not aimed correctly or anything. So I just figured these are bright enough that I don't need the high beams. Thank you for checking out my video, and I hope you have a great day.